December pass. This December, this I waka well. I see my go see my auntie, mama. You understand, my auntie, everything. My auntie don't marry. She get money. So you don't say you need to meet your auntie and your uncle. They don't get money. I go meet my auntie. Me and my auntie gist. I don't know say my auntie self inherits the family problem, which is snoring. My auntie, me and she gist. 9 o'clock, my auntie tell me say, Oiko, good night. Now say auntie, good night too. 12 midnight. Now my auntie start the snoring on top bed. They are picking day, husband day. Now she starts on. Pass and give the pikin. The pikin carry on. Pass and give the papa. You know, say head of family. He go carry with base. I saw the man carry with base. Pass and give the wife. This and the wife on top bed. Carry and shake and with style. Pass and give the pikin again. The pikin carry on. Pass and give the man. You know, say if you wake up, they take 5 seconds for you to get yourself. As a pass and give the man. The man, this time, his phone call ring for midnight. Now you snore him again, answer call. Oh, by day break, I run, I collect my money. Now I come out. For that you snoring, came in.